So I thought I will solve CAT 2023 का paper. I haven't seen it yet. I just opened it from 2IIM का website. So in this, I'm going to give myself 40 minutes and let's see how many questions I can solve. It's been 3 years since I took the CAT, so my brain is a little jaded. But I will also record my screen here. Wait. Yeah, perfect. So I will take you through each question. I'll tell you which questions I attempt, which questions I'm going to chuck completely. Look, I'm not going to, I'm not a 100th percentiler, but I can solve enough to give you like a 90th percentile. Sectional cutoff clear करने जितना I can do. ठीक है? So let's get started. The time is 6:31 right now. Okay. Okay. First question. It's a logarithm question, so I think I can do this. Is equal to 4, so x is equal to, no, x raised to 4 is equal to x square. Sorry, I'm going to keep talking. You can mute me if it's annoying. So we know that y is equal to 4 or minus 3, but it can't be minus 3 because it's a square. So y is equal to 4. Okay? The other thing is log x to the base y is equal to 1. So 1 by 3 because I've taken it that side. So x is equal to y raised to 1 by 3. So I can say that 2 is equal to y raised to 1 by 3. Y is equal to 8. X plus y is equal to 10. That would be my answer. ठीक है? So for question number 1, I am going to say it's 10. Let's go to the next question. ठीक है? I'm going to write my answers next to the questions. Now if you see question 2, real numbers such that, छोड़ो मैं नहीं कर रही है. Next question. Next question is also tricky, but I will try solving it. 3. We're saying under root 5x plus 9. It's been a while. ठीक है? So I want you to be kinder to me. Chuck it. I'm not doing this question. I'm gonna skip this as well. Let's go to the next question. 4. ये तो देख के मुझे पता है can't do this. Positive integer number system. I'm quitting it completely. Question 5. Integral solutions. Integral solutions. चलो try करने में क्या जाता है. Unlikely that I can solve it, but I have time, so I'm gonna solve it. It's been 4 minutes. 2x x square plus 1 is equal to 5x. So I can say 2x x square plus 1 is equal to 5x. 2x cube plus 2x is equal to 5x. 2x cube is equal to 3x. X square is equal to 3 by 2. This is one option. The other option is minus 2x x square plus 1 is equal to 5x square. Minus 2x x square plus 1 is equal to 5x. Okay. चलो x उड़ा देते हैं. Okay, minus 2.5 is equal to x square plus 1. Minus 3.5 is equal to x square. That is wrong. It is not possible because a square can never be negative. ठीक है? So they are asking what integral solutions पूछ रहे हैं. Integral solutions. So that will be only one, I think. I'm not sure though. चलो let's try one. Okay. So I don't know. Let's see. ठीक है? Now. I'm not sure if I'm going to mark this. I'm probably not going to mark this. So let me put it in a different color. Not sure. Okay. Sorry. Alpha, beta, blah, 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 blah. I don't think I can do this question. Chalo. Next question. Minus 2 is one of the roots. I'm not doing this question. 8-hour trip. ये लंबा लग रहा है, so I'm going to chuck it for now. But I might come back to it later. In an examination, see, wherever they're saying the possible integer values, I chuck those questions because these possible wale questions are very tricky. Okay, now let's do 12. 12 looks easy. Okay, so there's Sita, Geeta, Meeta. Okay, their ratios are, suppose let's assume their salaries are 5,000, 6,000, 7,000. Okay, now first year में इनका salary hike आ रहा है, so this becomes 6,000. 6,000 into 5 by 4. Okay, 7,500 इसका गीता का and 20% hike which is 6/5 into 7,000. No, 20% मतलब 120/100. Sorry, I've become so old at doing these things. Yeah, 6/100. तो ये हुआ, क्या हो रहा है, 20% हाइक 1.2 into 7, 1.2 into 7, 14, 8,400. ठीक है. Now in the second year, they are saying that Sita gets a hike of 40%. So 1.4 into 6, 24. Okay, that is 8400. ये इसका x समझ लेते हैं गीता का, and 25% इसमें. Okay, so 5/4 of 8400, 2100. So that is going to be 21 into 5, 1050, 10500. ठीक है. Now this is the new values. Now I'm just going to go down just to make some space. 10500 by plus 8400, 0098, okay, 18900 plus x is equal to 3x, because they're saying it's the average, right? So 18900 is equal to 2x, x is equal to 9450. ठीक है. इसका ओरिजिनल सैलरी कितना था? 7500, 9450, 1950 by 7500. This is what I have to calculate. Now 75, if I divide 1950 by 75, 2s are 150, 450, 75 into 6 maybe, हाँ 26. इसका आंसर should be 26%. ठीक है. I'm going to circle this. We're going to come back to this. So far, how many have I attempted? I have attempted only 3 questions. ठीक है. How much time has elapsed? 8 minutes are gone. I have attempted only 3 questions. ठीक है. Okay, no problem. Now see, Sita and Geeta. Now this is question 13. Okay, we're done with question 12. Question 13. Geeta sells objects A and B at some same price. ठीक है. So let's assume it's X. Now on CP of A is going to be equal to what? 5/6 of x, and CP of B is going to be equal to 0.9, 10x/9. ठीक है. If we take the LCM, we will get 15x/18. This is CP of A, and CP of B will be equal to 20x/18. ठीक है. Now we know that B का CP is higher, right? So if I increase the SP, 5x/6 को suppose I increase by 8, okay, that will give me 1.1 times 10x/9, or I can make this 15x/18 plus A is equal to 1.1 times 20x/18. Okay, so here it will become 22x minus 15x/18. That is 7x/18. ठीक है. Sorry. So now I know 7x/18 is equal to A. Okay. Now which means 22x/18 is equal to my selling price of A. ठीक है. I'm not sure if I'm going the right path. Let me see. Selling price of A. Okay. And their CP is, okay, CP is 5x/6. CP is equal to 5x/6. So 7x/18 by 5x/6. So 7/18 into 6/5 into 100. ये 3, ये 20, 140 का 3 times किया तो 4, 20, 27, almost 47%. ठीक है. That's my rounded off figure. So this is for answer 13. So I have done 4 questions so 4. चलो 4 ही सवाल किए हैं हमने, कोई बात नहीं. I am not going to be phased by this. ठीक है. 22000 for 6 years. Okay. With this interest scheme 4%, but note it's compounded half yearly. ठीक है. Compounded half yearly मतलब it is going to be 1.02 into 12. This is my total compound interest, CI. ठीक है. Now Sunil invests on the same scheme for 5 years. So this is into 10 raised to 10, and at the end of 10 years, the entire amount received, and then reinvest the entire amount for 10% simple interest into 1.1. Okay, so 22000 into 1.0 into 1.1, this is equal to 22000. This is some principle, we don't know what हाँ आई थिंक सम प्रिंसिपल आएगा 1.02 रेज टू 12. ठीक है, ये दोनों कट जाएगा. नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट विथ 1.1 p इज इक्वल टू 1.02 स्क्वायर. लेट्स what have I clicked? हाँ, sorry. I have messed it up somewhere once again. I'm just thinking कि कैसे करते हैं. See, 22000 is here into 12. Oh, I don't know why I assumed this. Sorry. So I got it right till here. This is compound interest. 22000 into 1.02 raised to 12 is equal to what? 1.1p into 1.02 raised to 10. ठीक है. Now if I solve this is going to be 22000 into 1.02 raised to 2 by 1.1. Okay, so I'm going to add a 0 here. This is going to become 2. Okay, this much. 1.02 402000000201. Okay, 10404. So 10404 into this much. That's going to be 20808. ये क्या हो गया? मेरा पेन को क्या हो गया है? Wait, I think something wrong with my pen. Let me just charge it. Okay, let's wait. Okay, something is wrong, but wait, let me go to the next page and see. ठीक है, तो इसका आंसर I'm going to say is 20808. Okay, that leaves me with 5 questions. 5 questions I've solved so far. Okay, now let's see if we can do any other question. Okay, 19 looks easy. There's a right angle triangle. This is my right angle triangle. ठीक है, A, B, C. Altitude is 5. Base is 12, so this will be 13. I don't know if we need it, but we'll लिख लेना P and ये Q. ठीक है. Now we know that ABC का area कितना होगा? 1/2 into 5 into 12, 6. This is equal to 30. Okay, 30 is equal to 1.5 times of triangle ABP. Okay, which means 300 by 15, 20 is equal to triangle ABP. Okay. Now half into 5 into BP is equal to 20. So BP is equal to 8. Okay, we've gotten that. We have to find PQ. अरे यार क्या है? Okay, PQ निकालना है, right? So that is going to be it's in arithmetic progression, right? So if 20 is to x is to 30, the only arithmetic progression I can have is 25. So 25 is equal to half into 5 into BQ. Okay, ये 5, ये 10 हुआ, BQ is 10. Okay, so BQ minus BP is 2. This is the answer. So 2 should be my answer of 19. 19 का 2. So that means we have solved 6 questions so far. 1 is doubtful. बाकी सब I am very sure. Now let me go back to that dastardly question जिसमें Arvind and Surbhi traveled. Okay, we still have time. That's why I'm doing this. ठीक है, now let's resolve this. 972 ठीक है. I have done so far. Okay, I'm done with my. I still have 7 minutes, but I can't solve more questions, so I'm just going to go through the answers. Okay, let's go. The first wale ka answer, correct answer 10. Okay, I think I got that right. Wait, let me check. First wale ka answer 10. Sure, I'm going to mark it with green so we can all celebrate together. This is right. ठीक है. Now, what is the next question? 2 तो हुआ नहीं, 3 तो हुआ नहीं. 5 किया है मैंने, but I am not sure. Let's just see the answer. I think it might go into a negative. Okay, it's a theta question. 3. Okay, गलत हो गया, but ये theta है, so it's fine. This is wrong, but this is theta. ठीक है. Now, this is question 12. Question 12. Question 12. Correct answer is 26. Yes, this is right. Okay, so I'm gonna say this is right. So 2 correct so far. Next is 13. 13 में मेरा क्या आंसर आया फाइनली? 47% करेक्ट. ओके, सो 3 करेक्ट. नाउ दिस अरविंद क्वेश्चन. बाप रे, अरविंद का क्वेश्चन देखते हैं एंड में जाके, बिकॉज आई रिमेंबर आई सॉल्व्ड इट इन द एंड. नो, सो 972. यस, 972 इज राइट. ठीक है. सो हाउ मेनी आर? 3 राइट सो फार. 3 ना. लेट मी जस्ट क्विकली चेक. आई कीप फॉरगेटिंग. 1 2 3 4 आर राइट. ठीक है. अभी ना देखते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन विच इज 16. 16 आई अटेम्प्टेड. 16 इज नो 16 कहाँ हुआ? आई थिंक आई नंबर्ड इट रॉन्ग. हाँ, 16 का आंसर शुड बी 2080. लेट मी चेक. 2080. परफेक्ट. ओके. 19 का आंसर क्या है? 2. हाँ, यहाँ पे लिखा है ना 2 मैंने. ओके, डिड आई सॉल्व एनीथिंग एल्स? नो, दैट्स ऑल. सो नाउ लेट्स डू अ कंप्लीट टैली बिकॉज आई हैव फॉरगॉटन अगेन. आई थिंक 6 क्वेश्चंस आर राइट. 1 2 3 4 5. क्या हुआ? 5 6. एक सेकेंड. 6 क्यों नहीं आ रहा है? इट नोट्स. ओके, 6. हाँ, 6 questions. So 6 questions means 18 marks. This is for someone who hasn't touched this thing in 3 years, which I think is a decent score. Now I will do an analysis की percentile उस साल कितने का था. ठीक है. Cash score versus percentile. I've opened it up on another tab. We see that slot 1 quantitative ability 15 to 17 marks आए, तो that is 90 plus percentile. So I will definitely get a 91 or a 92 at this. So I hope that helped. This is basically a long video for how to solve questions when you're a math doofus. So if it helped, let me know. Hi. So I hope this video helped. I don't know how much of it I'm going to edit, but the key takeaways from this video really are that in every quant section, in fact in every paper, every section in the CAT, there will be at least 6 to 8 easy questions. If you're bad at maths like I am, at least try to attempt those easy 6 questions. Your target should be to just identify those 6 questions. Like abhi jo maine kiya tha, it was just about identifying 6 questions that were easy. I identified 7, एक गलत हो गया, but at least 6 of them were right. That is 18 marks. And in my actual CAT, which was in 2021, I scored only 20 marks in quant and I still got the 92nd percentile. So it is very much possible to score a great percentile even if you attempt just like 6 to 7 questions. So keep that in mind. And yeah, I hope this video helped. If this is for people who are not very good at maths. Now if you're an engineer and you're really excellent at maths, maybe this video is not very helpful for you, but it truly is helpful for people like me who were mathematically challenged. So yeah, see you another day, another video. Bye.